Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting who can see your stories on Facebook. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Facebook app, then tap the three lines button from the bottom right to open the menu. Scroll down and select Settings from Settings and Privacy. In Settings, scroll down to Audience Visibility and select Stories. Tap Story Privacy. Choose whether you want your stories to be public, to be seen by friends only, or tap Customize to allow specific people only. You can also select Hide Story From if there are specific people that you don't want to see your stories. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Facebook tips and tricks.